How to create a domain alias in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to create a domain alias. Click the Aliases icon. A domain alias is useful when you have additional domain names that you want people to be able to use to get to your website. Enter the new domain. Then click Add Domain. That's it! Now when someone browses to mybiz123.info, they'll automatically be redirected to mybiz1234.com. Be sure to set your domain alias's DNS settings to the same as your main domain so the redirection will work properly. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create a domain alias from cPanel.